Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically we have to start with entering the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the buttons, the 3-button navigation, you have to tap on the button with 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the top of your device to the center basically, and hold your finger just like that. After releasing, you can see the recents. So if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps or 2 of them. Just swipe them to the left or to the right. But if you want to close all of them with only one click, just tap on this X button. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.